PLC touchscreen interface, machine operation is simple, easy debugging. No need to change modes, hexagonal size can be set according to terminals, easy adjustment and safe operation. Servo type positive hexagonal mode-less crimping machine, mainly suitable for new energy configuration line, charging pail and charging gun wiring harness processing, automobile battery cable, distribution cabinet cable and other large square various types of copper pipe terminals, ceiling SC terminals and other terminals crimping. Crimping range 4 to 70 square millimeters.